Megan Fox recently sat down with Alex Cooper on the Call Her Daddy podcast, and she got really candid about her past marriage to Brian Austin Green. She's now 37, but she was 18 when they started dating, and he was 30. And
Mm.
she admits, I was not a great girlfriend to Brian. I'll be very honest. I was not great because I was young and really should not have been in a relationship of that level of commitment and that magnitude. But it begs the question, what is the right age to get married if you want it to last?
I got married later in life. I was in my 30s. And I think there's something to be said about knowing definitively who you are. And I do think as people, we're always evolving and changing. And I think in relationships too, you evolve and you grow and you change together, hopefully. But I think if you wait a little bit, you have a better sense of who you are because you have so much more life experience under your belt. If I had met Jason, who is 1,000,000,000% my person, when I was 18. I mean, I would like to think it would have worked because I do think he's my soulmate, but I also think we've both changed so much since we were those ages.
Yeah.
So, what worked for me is waiting a little bit until I knew more so who I was as a person and what I wanted out of a relationship and a long-lasting marriage.